Here we have one more problem on circles. We have one more problem on circles here. The lines 2x minus 3y is equal to 5 and 3x minus 4y is equal to 7 are the diameters of a circle of area 154 square units. Then the equation of the circle is, these are the options are given. Okay, here we have the given the two lines, diameter lines are given, line equations are given. Then and area of the circle is given. So from these two line equations you can solve the center of the circle. So these two diameters intersect at the center of the circle. Then we have to find the intersection point of these two lines, and also we have to find the given area. From given area you have to find radius of the circle. Then you have to easily write the equation of the circle. Here we have given the four equation of the circles are given. So here first two diameters are what given. Two diameters. What are the given two diameters? That is 2x minus 3y. You can take into this side, minus 5 equal to 0. Equation 1. And one more 3x. 3x minus 4y. And you can take into this side, minus 7 equal to 0. Equation 2. Okay, all of you. Then you have to solve these two equations. You get the center of the circle. So this is x, y, 1. X, y. Write x coefficient 2 and 3. These are the x coefficients. Y coefficients minus 3 comma minus 4. Constant coefficients minus 5 comma minus 7. And x coefficient 2, 3. Y coefficient minus 3 comma minus 3 minus 4. Okay, all of you. Then what is here x by you can remove this one and this part, and minus 3 into minus 7, that is 21, and 4 into 5, that is 20, minus 20 equal to y by, and this one minus 5 into 3 minus 15, and 7 into 2 14, minus into minus plus 14 equal to 1 by minus 8 and plus 9. Then what? X by 1 equal to y by minus 1 equal to 1 by 1. X comma y equal to, that is 1 comma minus 1, center of the circle. This is the intersection point. This is the center of the circle. And one more, area of the circle is given. This is area of the circle. Area of the circle is given, that is 154 square units. 154 square units. And what is the area of the circle? Pi r square equal to 154, and pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. And here you see, all of you, here what is 22, and 11 2 ja 22 by 7, 11 2 ja 11 1 ja 11 4 ja, okay, 2 7 ja. So by cross multiplication, r square is equal to 7 into 7, r is equal to 7. Okay, all of you, center of the circle is there and the radius is there. Then what is the equation of the circle? By the fundamental theorem of the form of the circle equation is, x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to r square. Alpha comma beta is center of the circle, center, and radius is r. Then here this is alpha comma beta and this is radius. Then x minus 1 whole square plus y minus of minus 1 whole square is equal to 7 square. X minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 49 is the required circle equation. That is x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 49. So option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. So this is the solution of the equation, solution of the problem. Here one more problem on the circles. You see the nearest point on the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. From minus 5 comma 4 is. So here we have to find the nearest point on the circle. So these are the points given. These are we want to first we have to check out which point is on the circle. Then after you can find the distance between this point to that point. Okay, so if 2 points are there, you can find the distance between the two, which is nearest point. That is shortest distance we have to find. Only one point is there. This is need not to find the shortest distance. That is the shortest distance. Okay, all of you. So here you see all of you given circle. So given circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, all of you. So this is first one. You verify one. That is 1 comma 1 point you can verify. Implies 1 square plus 1 square minus 6 into 1 plus 4 into 1. That is minus 12. What is this? Is 2 minus 6 plus 4 minus 12. What is this? 6 minus 12 not equal to 0. Not on circle. Okay, and minus 1 comma 1. This is minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square minus 6 into minus 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12. This is what? 12 plus 6 plus 4 minus 12. This is 12 minus 12 equal to 0. So on the circle. Okay, all of you. Then minus 1 comma 2. So minus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square, that is minus 6 into minus 1 plus 4 into 2. Okay, plus 4 into 2 minus 12. So what is this? Is 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 minus 12 not equal to 0. Then we have to check out this one. Minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 2. What is that one? That is minus 2 whole square plus 2 whole square minus 6 into minus 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2 minus 12. This is what? 8 plus 6 2 ja 12 plus 8 minus 12. This is 16 not equal to 0. So only one point is there. That is this minus 1 comma 1 is on the circle. Okay, all of you. Minus 1 comma 1 is on the circle. Then we have to find the image of the minus 1 comma minus 1. This is minus 1 comma 1. This point. This is the center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? This is 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2 directly. Okay, all of you. Then this is the center of the circle. So we get minus 1 comma 1 is on the circle. This is the circle and this is minus 1 comma 1 and this is the other point. So here this point is minus 5 comma 4 like this. Minus 5 comma 4 means this point is this side only. So this is the shortest distance, and for this one this is the longest distance. This is the point P, this is the point A, and this is the point. This is the center of the circle 3 comma minus 2. So this side, this point side, minus 5 comma minus 1 is there. So this point side is, this point is there. That's why this is the, so this is the point P from A is the shortest distance or nearest point. Nearest point. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. And one more problem from circles. Here we have given the problem on circles. Here, if D1, D2 are the longest and shortest distances of minus 7 comma 2 from any point alpha comma beta on the curve whose equation is x square plus y square minus 10x minus 14y is equal to 51. Then GM geometric mean of D1 and D2 is, so we have the given. This is the given problem. We have the problem, this one. So here first you have to write the given circle equation. This is the given circle equation. So given circle equation. Given circle equation. What is given circle equation? X square plus y square minus 10x minus 14y. You can take this into this one. Minus 51 equal to 0 is the given circle equation. And you have to compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Comparing these two, 2g is equal to minus 10, and comparing these two, 2f is equal to minus 14. Comparing these two, c is equal to minus 51. So what is g value? G value minus 5, f value minus 7, and center minus g comma minus f equal to 5 comma 7 is the center of the circle. And then you have to find radius of the circle. Root over g square plus f square minus c. R is equal to root over g square minus 5 whole square. This is minus 5 whole square plus f square minus 7 whole square minus of c value minus 51. So what is this is equal to 25 plus 49 plus 51. R is equal to root over 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 1. So 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 12, 125 is equal to 5 root 5. What is the radius of the circle is? Radius of the circle is 5 root 5. And center of the circle is 5 comma 7 is the center of the circle. Then after we have to find the, So we have to find the shortest distance and longest distance from point P minus 7 comma 2 and center of the center of the circle 5 comma 7. Then we need to find CP. We need to find CP, distance between these two. That is root over, that is 5 minus of minus 7. 5 plus 7 whole square plus 7 minus 2 whole square equal to root over 12 square plus 5 square. CP is equal to root over 12 square 144 plus 25 root over 169 equal to 30. So what is the CP distance? CP, center to the point. Here you see, all of you, this is the point P and this is the A point, this is the B point. This is the center of the circle. This is the shortest distance and this is the longest distance. So this is the PA. PA is equal to what is CP minus R. This is R, this is R. And this is the shortest distance D1. And this is PB is equal to CP plus R. That is D2, where R is equal to 5 root 5. Where R is equal to what? 5 root 5. Then after we have to find this is D1. What is D1 here? D1 is equal to CP minus R. This is, what is CP? 13. 13 minus 5 root 5. Okay, then what is PB? So D2. D2 is equal to CP plus R. This is modulus CP plus R is equal to, this is what? 13. 13 plus 5 root 5. So we want to GM of geometric progression, geometric mean, root over D1 into D2 is equal to root over 13 minus 5 root 5 into 13 plus 5 root 5 is equal to root over, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is 13 square minus 5 root 5 whole square. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. By using this formula, what is 13 whole square? 169. What is 5 root 5 whole square? 125 equal to 44 equal to 2 root 11. 44 can be written as 4 into 11. So root 4 is 2, 2 root 11. So by options, these are the given options. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. We have one more problem from circles. The circle through the points 2 comma 3, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2 is the circle through the points. This is points are given on the circle 2 comma 3, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2 is. These are the equations are given. Okay, na? So we have to write the circle equation passing through the point A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 and C x3 comma y3. If these 3 points on the circle, then what is the circle equation? You see, all of you, circle equation determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 of x square plus y square plus determinant of here C1, C2, C3. y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 of x plus determinant of this is x1, x2, x3, c1, c2, c3, 1, 1, 1 of y plus this is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 c1 sorry this is c1, c2, c3 equal to 0. This is the directly circular equation which passes through the 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Where what is c1, c2, c3? So ci is equal to minus of xi square plus yi square, where I is equal to 1, 2, 3. If I is equal to 1, minus x1 square plus y1 square. If I is equal to 2, minus of x2 square plus y2 square. If I is equal to 3, minus of x3 square plus y3 square. Like this. So, here we have given 3 points. This is the A point, this is the B point, this is the C point, x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x3, y3. Okay, all of you. Then we have to find C1 first. C1 is equal to minus of x1 square plus y1 square, that is 2 square plus 3 square, equal to minus of 4 plus 9 equal to minus 30. C2 square equal to minus of 2 square plus 2 square equal to minus 8. C3 square equal to minus of 3 square plus 2 square is equal to minus 30. So we have C1 is equal to minus 13 and C2 is equal to minus 8 and C3 is equal to also minus 13. Then the circle equation is, this is implies circle equation, determinant of x1, y1, x1, y1, 2, 3. So this is 2, 3, 1 and x2, y2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1 and x3, y3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 of x square plus y square. Okay, all of you. Then C1, C2, C3, minus 13, minus 8, minus 13. 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1 into x. In place of x terms, you can substitute C1, C2, C3. Then y terms and units plus this is what? X terms 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3 and in place of y terms is constant C1 minus 13, minus 8, minus 13, 1, 1, 1 into y plus constant is what is 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2. So 2, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 2 and minus 13, minus 8, minus 13 equal to 0. This is the required circle equation. So this is the required circle equation. We have to simplify this one. We have to simplify this circle equation. Here we have to simplify this circle equation. Here you see, all of you, what is 2, 3, 1 determinant of yes, this is determinant 2 of 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 3 of 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3 plus 1 of 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6. Okay, all of you, this will be 0. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus this is minus 2. This is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. What is the value of this one? 1. And next this value. This value. What is the value of this one? Minus 13 of. This is 2 minus 2, 0. Minus 3 of. Minus 3 of minus 8 plus 13. Minus 8 plus 13. Minus 8 plus 13 and plus 1 of. Plus 1 of minus plus 1 of minus 16 plus 26. Minus 16 plus 26. Okay, all of you, this will be 0. Minus 3 into this is 5 plus minus 16 into plus 26 is 10 minus 15 plus 10 is equal to minus 5. So, what is the value of this one? This value is minus 5. And we have to find this value, y coefficient value. So, what is the y coefficient value? Y coefficient value, this is 2 into minus 8 plus 13. Minus 8 plus 13. Minus plus 13 off. Plus 13 off. This is 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 plus 1 off. Plus 1 off. This is minus 26 plus 24. This is implies 2 of 5. 2 of 5 plus minus 13. Minus 13. Here what is? Minus 2 equal to 10 minus 15 equal to minus 5. What is the value of this one? Minus 5. Okay, all of you. So, here this value, this is 2 of minus 26. Minus 26 plus 16. Okay, minus 3 of minus 26. Okay, minus 26 plus 24. Plus 24. Minus 13 of 4 minus 6. Okay, all of you. So, 2 of minus 26, this is minus 10. Minus 3 of minus 2. Minus 13 of minus 2. So, minus 20 plus 6 plus 26 equal to, this is minus 20. This is minus 20 plus 26, 6 plus 6 equal to 12. This value is 12. Okay, all of you. Then all coefficients, get all coefficients. All coefficients are what? Here we have the all coefficients. Then this coefficient is 1. So 1 into x square plus y square minus this value minus 5x and this value minus 5y and plus 12 equal to 0. Then x square plus y square minus 5x minus 5y plus 12 equal to 0 is the circle equation. Then what is the option? Option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have one more problem from circles. Here the circle passing through the points 5 comma minus 4, 1 comma 7, minus 7 comma 1 is. Already this type of problem, we already done the problem, this type of problem. So, using the formula, you have to find this problem as homework. For practice purpose, I given you. So, here what is the formula for this one? This formula, this has x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Then this is the determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 of x square plus y square. We have to find this determinant plus determinant of C1, C2, C3, and this has Y1, Y2, Y3, 1, 1, 1 of X plus and determinant of this is X1, Y1, X2, X2 and X3. This is C1, C2, C3, 1, 1, 1 into Y plus this is constant term as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, c1 c2 c3 is equal to 0. So you have to find these determinants 1, 2, 3, 4 determinants. Then you have to substitute the values here. Then you will get the circle equation. Here C1 is equal to what? Minus of x1 square plus y1 square. And C2 is equal to what? Minus of x2 square plus y2 square. And C3 is equal to what? Minus of x3 square plus y3 square. From this one, we have to find the circle equation. This is the hint. So, you can easily find out the circle equation. Okay, one more problem on circle. Center of circle passing through A0, 1, B2, 3, C minus 2, 5 is. So, we have to find the center of the circle and circle passing through these 3 points. Okay, all of you. So, here you see all of you. This is the circle and this is the point A and this is the point B and this is the point C point. Then we have to find the center of the circle. Here this is here C, let P be the center of the circle. This is H comma K. And this is radius of the circle. This is radius of the circle. This is radius of the circle. And here we have given let or given A, that is 0, 1, B 2, 3 and C minus 2, 5. So what is here? AP is equal to PA. AP is equal to PC. Let P be H comma K center. Okay, na? Here you take P as the center of the circle, that is H comma K. Then what is AP is equal to? AP square is equal to PC square. So P is the H comma K. H minus 0 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square is equal to PC square, no? So H plus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square plus K minus 5 whole square. Then we have H square plus K square minus 2K plus 1 equal to H square plus 4H plus 4 plus K square minus 10K plus 25. K square cancel, H square cancel. Then you can take this K into this side and here this is 4H is there. Here no 4H minus 10K plus 2K plus 25, 25 plus 4, 29. 29 minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, all of you, this is 4h minus 8k plus 28 equal to 0 implies 2 as common. 2h minus 4k plus 14, and you can take 4 as common. 4 as common. H minus 2k plus 7 equal to 0. Okay, all of you, h minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0 is one equation. One equation. Okay, all of you, then you have to solve this. PA is equal to what? PB. PA is equal to PB, and PA square is equal to PB square also. So PA square is equal to PB square. Here we get the one equation, that is one equation. We got one equation, that is equation is h minus 2k. H minus 2k plus 1 equal to 0. 28 is there, no? 28. 7, sorry. This is 7. 7. So this is 7. So 7 equal to 0. This is equation 1. You have to write here. And PA is equal to what? PA square is equal to PB square implies. So PA square, this is h square plus k minus 1 whole square is equal to PB square, h minus 2 whole square plus k minus 3 whole square. This is implies h square plus k square minus 2k plus 1 equal to h square minus 4h. 4h plus 4 plus 4 plus k square minus 6k plus 9. H square k square on both sides cancel out. Here you can take 4h this side plus 4h and minus 2k. This is plus 4k. The minus 2k plus 4k. You can take this side. This is 4k. And plus 1. This is 4 plus 9. 13. 13 you can take into this side. Minus 13. Minus 13 plus 1. Minus 12. Minus 12 equal to 0. Then 4 as common. H plus k minus 3 equal to 0. And equation is h plus 3. H plus k. H plus k minus 3 equal to 0. Equation 2. But here from equation 1. From equation 1. From equation 1. H is equal to what? This is 2k minus 7. We have to substitute this value here, that is 2k minus 7 plus k minus 3 equal to 0. This is what? 3k is equal to minus 7 minus 3, 10. This k is equal to 10 by 3. What is k is equal to 10 by 3? K is equal to 10 by 3. Then after you substitute k is equal to 10 by 3 in this equation. Thus that is h plus 10 by 3 minus 3 equal to 0. H plus 3 is the LCM. 10 minus 9 equal to 0. H plus this is 1 by 3 equal to 0. H is equal to minus 1 by 3. So H is equal to minus 1 by 3. K is equal to 10 by 3. So H comma K. H comma K is equal to minus 1 by 3 comma 10 by 3 is the center of the circle. So this is the center of the circle. Okay, all of you, That's all. Thank you for watching. Here, one more important concept in circles. One more important concept in circle is the power of the point. What is the power of the point? Let us discuss here. Power of the point. Power of the point. You see, all of you, very most important concept here. So this is the circle. Here in this plane, three regions are there. One is the outside the circle is one region, on the circle is one region, inside the circle is one region. So this is the circle S equal to 0, and this is the point C, center of the circle, and this is the radius of the circle. So here in outside the circle one point is there, P x1 comma y1. So if you find S11 greater than 0, this will be greater than 0. So greater than 0 means the point is outside the circle. The point is in the plane and outside the region of the circle. Then we say S11 greater than 0. And one more point, this is the circle and this is the center of the circle. This is the radius of the circle. This is the point x1 comma y1. In this case, this is s equal to 0. In this case, the point is on the circle, then s11 equal to 0. Then s11 equal to 0. And one more point, this is the circle and this is the center of the circle, and point is inside the circle x1 comma y1. This is the R. Okay, now this is R. In this case, the S11 is less than 0. S11 greater than 0 means the circle is outside, the point is outside the circle. S11 is equal to 0 means the point is on the circle. S11 less than 0 means the point is inside the circle. So, in this case, you see S11 greater than 0 and also Cp square minus R square is greater than 0. Is it right, all of you? Cp square minus R square. This is Cp square minus R square greater than 0. S11 greater than 0 and Cp square minus R square is greater than 0. And in this case, so second case you see Cp square minus R square equal to 0. So, and in this case, Cp square minus R square less than 0. Why? Because Cp is the less than as compared to R square. This is the C, R value. Then Cp square greater than 0 and Cp square minus R square is equal to 0. Cp square minus R square less than 0. This is point is outside the circle and point is on the circle and point is inside the circle. Now, these are the three conditions, condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3. In three condition, S11 greater than 0, Cp square minus R square greater than 0. S11 equal to 0, Cp square minus R square equal to 0. S11 less than 0, Cp square minus R square less than 0. Then we given the conclusion S11 equal to greater than less than, or yes, Cp square minus R square equal to greater than or less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to S11. Okay, all of you. But here Cp square minus R, this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, greater than equal to less than S11. Here Cp plus R is the longest distance. Suppose this is the point A and this is the point B, then this is the longest distance and shortest distance. So here PA is equal to Cp minus R and PB is equal to Cp plus R, and here this is the longest and shortest distance, and PB is the longest distance into PA or AP, PB or AP is greater than or equal to less than S11, then we give PB into PA is equal to S11. This is the condition. PA is the longest distance and PB is the longest distance and P is the shortest distance. As we done the problems in this one. Okay, now we already done the problem on this concept. We already find the long distance and short distance from given point to the circle or given point with respect to the circle. Shortest distance and longest distance. On that one, we already completed the problems. So we conclude that PA into PB is equal to S11 is the power of the point. PA into PB is equal to S11 is the power of the point. That's that. I thought you understand very well. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. On this one, we do the problems. We will do the problems next session.